How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. And let me tell you, man, the markets today crushed it, and Palantir stock did very well as well, going up almost 2%. So we have to break down Palantir, the charts, how we're looking right now. And if we have time, we'll cover the indexes and some other stocks later in the video, as the markets just closed about 3 minutes ago. So guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. For now, the clock's ticking, guys, so use that link right down below, or simply go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. As always, let's dive into it. So, what a day. What a day. Today was the first day as Donald Trump, or the first day of Donald Trump as president, right? And the stock market did very well. We had the Dow Jones up 1.2%. The Russell went up 1.8%. The S&P went up 0.9%. And QQQ, the NASDAQ 100, went up 0.6%. Massive day across the board. The VIX went down 5%, and it looks like here the metals even went up. Gold went up about 0.25%, and we had silver up 1.2%, and Palantir went up to over $73 per share, guys, closing up almost 2%. And the crazy thing is, well, I guess not too crazy, but earlier in the day, guys, Palantir actually took a beating. We got hit all the way down to $70 per share, and that dip was bought up, right? You guys can see buyers came right in. We had a nice V-shaped recovery, and we ran pretty much for the rest of the day, closing at $73 per share. And you guys can see on this 5-day, 5-minute, with that rebound into close, what happened? We held a higher low. You guys see that right here. Let me draw it out. Boom. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. You guys see all that, right? So uptrend is continuing clearly. And the fact that we got buyers to come in this morning and we rallied for the rest of the day, that's a very good sign. And if you have been watching my channel, guys, we've covered $70 to $72. That's a big level of resistance. It was. Now we broke over it and we closed above it, which is a very good sign. Let me continue pulling back the layers here, guys. We can see on the 30-minute chart, the reversal is clear. We have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages. And here on the 1-hour chart, same thing. Golden cross above both moving averages, which just 2 days ago, I couldn't say that, right? So now we're heading in the right direction, clearly on all these smaller time frames, and we're officially up $10 per share from where we were about a week ago. So talk about a move here for Palantir, for the entire stock market over the last week. You guys can see this stock's up about 16% alone in the past week, which is very impressive. And now again, we're finally starting to break out again. And if I get on this 4-hour chart, by the way, earnings are coming up in about in about 2 weeks here on Palantir. And if I get the channel tool out, you guys know we've covered this before, but I'll say it again. We're now back in this window. You guys can see Palantir has been trading between, $70 as support and resistance at around $80, $85, right? Roughly. That's kind of where we've gotten rejected over the last couple of weeks, and now we're back over 70. Back over, forget 70, we're back over 73. And the only resistance now, guys, is this 180 SMA, the 4-hour time frame, which if we're able to break out of that at about $74, this could be going back to $80, no problem. So I'm going to set my alert right now, guys, at $74 for the short term, and we'll see where it goes from there, we'll see, man. Maybe it's a trading opportunity. I think it will be if it breaks out of there. I think $80 could be coming right around the corner. And excuse me, guys, I apologize. My throat is freaking screwed up again here. I don't know what's going on. I was just sick. My wife was sick, 3-4 weeks ago, and now this morning we're both like, holy crap, our throats are itching us a little bit. Are we getting sick again? Yeah, that's that's where I'm at right now, guys, and hopefully it doesn't get worse. I don't think it's gonna get worse. I'm an optimist, though. We'll see. But yeah, alert set at $74 per share, and if we break out of there again, guys, $80 could hit, in my personal opinion. And let's transition now to a couple of stocks I'm looking at other than Palantir. Maybe we'll take a look here at the indexes. I mean, guys, it was a crazy green day. SPY went up around, let's see, 0.9%. Now it's clearly breaking out here on the 4-hour chart, is it not? I mean, it looks great. QQQ also is breaking out. We're above both moving averages on the 4-hour chart. We're approaching the highs from earlier this month. About 2 weeks ago, we hit about 525 here on the 4-hour chart. You guys see that? Now we're starting to break out of there slowly but surely, which I'm loving that, guys. And on, let's see, the Russell, I mean, gosh, guys, 2% green day on the Russell. What a day. This is fully breaking out again now at this point. Same with the Dow Jones. Both of them are extending nicely above both moving averages on the 4-hour time frame, which is awesome. And let's take a look at some other stocks. And by the way, guys, join the email list. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every week for free. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box and in the comment section. Guys, make sure to do that. Again, it is free. So OKLO, we covered it, I think, earlier in the day a little bit. So officially it closed up 18%. Actually, no, 19, almost 20%. Holy smokes, guys. And now we're approaching the highs from earlier this year, $31, $32. And by the looks of it, man, we are going to break out of that point, at least in my humble opinion. So, guys, OKLO looks phenomenal. It really does, man, for more upside. Momentum is kicking up like crazy. Pinterest had a great day. I feel like I haven't said that in a while. I haven't looked at Pinterest in a minute, it seems like. But the stock went up 5% on the day. It looks like we've been consolidating for a good 6 months at this point, ever since the middle end of summer. It looks like Pinterest has been consolidating, and my alert has been set for a while at $34, guys, which honestly, man, I don't know if that's going to break. We'll see. Maybe earnings gets it out of $34, but ultimately, man, I am not touching this thing with a 10-foot pole until it gets, we'll see, above $34, $35. And with earnings coming up here not too far away, guys, on the 6th of February, maybe that's enough to push it finally out of the low mid-30s, which the stock has struggled like heck at that point for months at this point, guys. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to go too long here on this video, guys. We make a lot of content here, so I want to keep some videos short and sweet. So hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stas Talks Money. That is linked down below. And, guys, get your free money, your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, use the link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.